Well, my friends, this is another case of autism spectrum disorder. Sit down, please. So, autism, another case of autism, disobedience, restlessness, incoordination, lack of development of mental ability and intellectuality. The boy, aged about 9 years, has brought from Darjeeling, Siliguri Thakan. They are residing at Siliguri, Darjeeling. Now, for these complaints, they have consulted many places, including the Christian Medical College of Vellore, and they have clearly mentioned this is a case of autism. The Pediatric Department of Vellore Christian Medical College. So, by giving the allopathic mode of treatment, the parents took interest into homeopathic mode of treatment. They have consulted with 3 homeopathic physicians and they have given a long period of time for their treatment. They treated accordingly. We may see, আমরা দেখতে পারি আগের কি ওষুধপত্র পড়েছে and what is my selection. There are 4 homeopathic doctors. One is Dr. Shomallo Goldar. He prescribed Spanish spider 200, Tarantula hispanica 200. Let's see the result for this restless boy. Dr. Goldar also prescribed Granitum mother and Justicia adatoda mother, Tarantula his in several times. Tarantula his he has prescribed several times. They have consulted with Dr. Izzet Khan and his son Taha Khan, and they have given, there are so many medicines including same Tarantula tenum, etc. Beretacar, Tarantula, lots of medicines are there. So, they treated more than 1 year. They consulted then without any gross improvement. They consulted with Dr. Vishwajit Basu, formerly attached to ADN, the Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital. He has prescribed Tuberculinum 200, Carcinosin 200, Strepsirrhea 200, again Strepsirrhea 200, Natrum Sulf 200, again Carcinosin 200, Veratrum Album 30, Carcinosin 200, again Strepsirrhea 200, and he treated more than 1 year. Lastly, they consulted with Dr. Subroto Kumar Banerjee and Dr. Saptarshi Banerjee. They have prescribed Veratrum Album 200, Calcarea 1000, Calcarea renalis most probably 200 and 1000, Veratrum Album, etc. So there are 4 homeopathic medicines, Dr. Saptarshi and Subroto Banerjee, Dr. Vishwajit Basu, Dr. Izzet Khan and Dr. Shomallo Goldar. They treated the boy homeopathically and also allopathically from the Christian Medical College of Vellore. Now the child is restless. incoherence, restlessness to the infinity. Medicine you have already seen, the tarantula, Calcaria renalis, tuberculinum, carcinosin, natrum salt, etc. already prescribed. Now, as the child is not improved, child is not being improved by those medicines, my prescription is fluoric acid. I do like to prescribe fluoric acid 1 mg 2 dose because by the 3 important symptoms, these are for spicy foods, muttons, etc. Spicy, মশলা দেওয়া খাবার খুব ভালোবাসে, very hot patient and bathing prefers too much. এই বাচ্চাটিকে আনতে হয়েছিল শীতকালে, এখন ওদিকে খুবই ঠান্ডা। অ্যাকর্ডিং টু হিজ মাদার্স ওপিনিয়ন, হি ইজ ভেরি হট অ্যান্ড ডাজন্ট লাইক টু ওয়্যার হট ক্লোথস। বাস গরম এই শীতের মধ্যেও খালি গায়ে থাকতে চায় বা গরম জামা কাপড় পরতে চায় না, তাই তো বললেন? সো ভেরি হট। আর মশলা কোন খাবার বেশি পছন্দ করে? রিচ, মাটন, মশলা দেওয়া দোকানের যে সমস্ত খাবারগুলো। সো স্পাইসি ফুডস ডিজায়ার ইজ এ সিমটম অফ ফ্লোরিক অ্যাসিড। Very hot patient, even in the coldest winter weather, he does not like to wear the hot garments. Another important symptom is bathing prefers too much. So these 3 cardinal symptoms go in favor of fluoric acid. Let's see the result. I do like to prescribe fluoric acid 1 mg 2 dose, followed by Nihilium 1000. Let's see the result. I shall share it, my friends.